If you have ever wanted to browse something without Chrome remembering it later, this video is for you. In the next few moments, I will show you how to open incognito mode in Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. It is quick, simple, and very useful when you care about privacy or just want a clean browsing session. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. From the drop-down list, find and click on New Incognito window. It is usually the third option from the top. As soon as you click it, a new window will open, and you will be browsing in incognito mode. So, what does incognito mode actually do? When you browse in incognito mode, Chrome does not save your browsing history. It also does not save cookies or site data. Any information you type into forms is not saved either. This makes it useful when you don't want Chrome to remember what you've searched or visited. However, it is important to know what incognito mode does not do. Websites you visit can still see your activity. If you are using a work or school network, your employer or school can still track what you do. Your internet service provider can also see your online activity. Incognito mode helps with privacy on your own device, but it does not make you invisible on the internet. That is all for this quick guide on using incognito mode in Google Chrome. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.